Hello again, friends! Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw and paint a kitten. I'll take a black marker. Next, start drawing a circular line, just like this. I'm drawing 2 triangles for his ears. And now I'm drawing our kitten's tail. Two closed eyes. A little nose and his mouth. I'm drawing wavy lines for his whiskers. It's time to paint our cute kitten. I'm using a light gray marker. Have you subscribed to my channel yet? Now I'm using a darker gray marker to draw the pattern on his body, just like this. Let's take a picture of it.
Wow!
I hope you enjoyed watching. See you, friends. Bye.